Right, hello, and welcome back to another episode of the Building a Space Station. Let's see, Mind Control. Welcome to the Captain of Industry. We are missing some stuff. Let's go and mine the heck out of this. Let's just go to... Where do we... Here, there we go. Mine all of it, cut it all down. Mine all of it, and we'll decide to go downhill from there. Okay, truck snookered itself as well, so you know what, screw you. You do you. Electronics are dropping again for some reason. I need to monitor if all of these are working as they should. It looks like electronics 1 for some reason is not being produced, probably in decent quantities, and I would like it to be so. What's the problem? What's the crack? Well, it's working. These guys are working fine. It looks like they're working fine. And then these... Oh! No. No, it looks like these guys are working fine as well. Let me see. No, yeah, you can see conveyor belts. Whoop! And there we go. We don't have the electronics number 1 for some reason. But are they working fully? All of them? Yeah, I think copper would be probably the one to look out for, but looks like they are. Maybe we're just consuming all of it. Maybe we're just consuming all of it, huh? To be honest, we can expand this even further, this storage for copper, which I don't even know what is used for. Ah, right, for the microchips, for the, microchips stages. So, we still need it, yeah, so I can easily just move it elsewhere, move it along, or I can even put it over here. So I can have one of these, just separate half of its production in this direction, because this usually stands still for prolonged periods of time. Okay, so this is not the episode of that. This is episode of the space station, and looks like we have everything ready. It looks like we built another rocket. We have a rocket on this little crawler here, and we have a rocket ready to launch. So I'm doing it. Let's see now. Yoink.
5, 4, 3,
2,
1, liftoff.
Ta-da! It's gonna be 3 of them in a row, one by one. I think just this crawler needs to get to the launch pad, and that's it. And rain! Let it rain. Right. Problem. I have a problem here with slag. For some reason, this is not processing fast enough. Let me just see the slag. Why is slag not being loaded? It is. The ship is not leaving. Why? Because it did not unload all the sour water here. So it looks like we're getting more sour water than we can process, which is, I think, good problem to have. That means that we can have even more sulfur. That I'm gonna have to upgrade this, which is surprising. I've been doing this for a while and I never came to this situation, probably because I never had so much slag, and I don't even know where this slag is coming from, to be honest. Well, it is what it is. I actually don't mind. We just need to process all this sour water. This is gonna be a secondary mission for us in this episode, so yeah, stay tuned. Well, yeah, just watch the video. Yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna put the sour water processing, but I think it's gonna definitely take less space than this. I'm gonna have to build it scalable. Maybe I'm just gonna demolish all of this, because it's absolutely horrendous how it looks like. I should be in prison for designing something like this, so having it designed differently wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. These pipes can go on the ground, they can go next to each other. I do have to set priorities here to get the water to the generator, and yeah, make this scalable. Okay, that being said, let's go and see. Why is there... Whoa. Is there one pipe going here and then big pipe going there? That's so weird. Oolykees these days, huh? And it goes all the way there. I can definitely make some shortcut through, probably underneath here. Okay. Rocket, this is the second one, I think. I think one of them is still being made, I think. After, no, two more are cute. Well, rockets are us, that's what I'm saying. Okay, low supply of sugar, that's an interesting problem to have. We do use sugar here in production of the plastics. We get it for production of ethanol, so Could be that sugar is something that we need to think about getting more of. Let's see the sugar cane. Where is it?
4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
That's the rocket number 2. Huh? Huh? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, right, so this is the first project. We need to get this space station in operation. We need 120 parts. You can see here that we have 260% of the maintenance for the station. You cannot get more than 40 extra of the parts, so like 49 to 50 I think is the maximum, 49 probably, which is 490%, so yeah, that's decent amount. Okay, so let's see what we're dealing with here. This is the sour water stripper. We have sour water stripper. You're probably in recycling, right? Sour water stripper. No, absolutely not. Would you be here? Sour water stripper. This one here. Okay, and they have entrance one side, processing, so it should be somewhat scalable. It has 3 sides that has inputs, so wait a minute, can I just put one over here? If I can put one just next to it, that wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. Like, it can directly connect to this and deliver, although I definitely should do something with these pipes as well, but one more, I think, just one more lane, please, one more lane, it's gonna fix everything. One more lane. I think I want to do this. Okay, let's do this. So let's remove you, and you. Let's go here. And then this one, this is the dumping. Let's remove you. I will have to remove this one here. And then pipes will have to go to the ground. Let's do this as well. This water here can be done differently, better. This water is fine, but this one is not. This water also needs to go. Okay, let's do this first. Speed up a bit and let's demolish and reconnect all of this, because it's gonna cause some problems for us if we leave it like this. So we have 2 water pumps here. Oh, you need to move the other one. Move this one as well. Thank you very much. Okay, what's with you? Output is full. Everybody's output is full. Stop complaining. Directly here. Oh, wait, let's put the sour water stripper first. So, sour water. Where did I say it was? Seriously? It was under oil. Yeah, my bad. Sour water stripper here, and I think I can do it just like this. Bang, I guess. Okay, so let's put it there. This goes in the storage of ammonia, which is going to be welcome addition, I believe. And then here we need the switch connection, pipe connection. This is sour water. Okay, let's deal with the sour water now. Okay, pipes need to be here. Wesley pipes, be here. Okay, go here and go here. That's one. Second one, that's the ground one. Oh, do you need water here? Yes, I do. So let's go for water over here. You can see that this one is a problem. I'm gonna have to do something about this. This is going to be last. I'm gonna not deal with this now. Please build this. We need a second level. How many sour water can you process? 36, 30 times 3. Okay, this pipe is gonna be enough. So if I do it here, and then just build pipe. Oh, whoa, pause. No. This needs to go this way. Oh, it's gonna block this. Oh my god, Oolykee. So stupid. Such a... Oh, I know. Let's just build another one. Let's build another one over here. There we go. That's gonna look much nicer. And do I want the outlet here? This is the, let's copy. Would have done that earlier. There we go. That's gonna look nicer. Okay, I need to demolish you. Pipe can go in this direction. You know what? Let's just rebuild the whole pipe so that when they bring the parts, they're all gonna be. Nope. This way. Okay. Still keep it paused. So sour water needs to go here. Lift one up all the way to here, I guess. Yeah, and this one needs to be. Okay, this one is gonna be okay like this. I'm missing this one here. This can be a simple pipe. Let's leave a bit space in between. Oh, that's not it. Like so, and then we need steam. Okay, let's unpause this, and I'm gonna have to start demolishing because this steam is appalling, and this is gonna go as well. I'm gonna move this. I'm thinking about these pipes here because I'm gonna need. I'm gonna find a way. Let's remove you. Oh, this is ammonia. I can remove. Well, I'm removing everything. Might as well remove you. And then we have water that needs to go into the system. This is seawater, normal water. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. This is gonna have to go as well because I'm gonna have to have more underpasses, overpasses. That's fine. You remove. Okay, let's speed this up a bit. High pressure turbine needs the Okay, it's good. Yes, I know a little bit, something. Let's see, sour water, slag, tower has no available designation to be mined in this area. This is the one that is flattening everything. Let's just move it over here, and then let's go and flat. Sure. Why the hell not? Have fun. Okay. Yeah, pause. Block due to full output. That would be rocks. Rocks are being removed. Iron is fine. Steam, corn, harvest, steam. Okay, I can't do anything about that. Go. Okay, so this is the thing that we're doing now. I'm gonna put the conveyor belt going from. Oh, this is not. Oh, can I use this? Can I use you? Looks like not. Looks like I'm gonna have to demolish this one, but do I want to? I want to connect this. Yeah, this needs to go in this direction at least. Maybe I can fix this a little bit better, but for now, let it be like this. This is steam. Steam needs to go in here, but we also have the ammonia, so I'll do steam first. So steam needs to go on the ground all the way here. I can do it. Yeah, we can do it like this. Steam, connect. There we go. And then ammonia. Like so, and then we need the salty water. I think salty water needs to have a third pipe, not the small one, because we have several pumps here, so I'm gonna go for a bigger pipe, connect it all the way here. But how am I supposed to? Let me finish this first. Finish the sour water stripper like this and like this. And this one is connected. I think that should be it then. I need to take care of the water pipe, and I need to overpass here, hopefully, maybe, probably, I don't know. I don't know if they can even approach this area. Vehicles. I don't know if I want to build an overpass after this. No, definitely not, because I'm gonna have to do something like this. and probably centrally located. I'll move that pipe as well. Wesley pipe. How do I do this now? This needs to be in this direction. Let's connect the pipes first. So we need a big pipe from here. I think we need this one. There we go. And this is the outlet for the... let's connect this one here. Outlet for the brine. I like it this way. There we go. So this is for brine and seawater. That should be fine. This looks like it's working. We just need to... Where does the fresh water go? Fresh water goes through these pipes. So this is what I'm going to be disrupting now. So ammonia goes in here. All of this looks like it's fine. Coffee time. Problem here straight away. Let's remove this. Rotate in the opposite direction. Okay, this looks like it's working. This one is now getting a little bit, giving a little bit more pressure, but I still need to resolve this water pipe over here. This is going there, and we have some capacity for pipes over here. So what I'm gonna do now is calculate how much water is gonna be. Oh, over 60. That's gonna be second level pipe. So where does this pipe go? Does it connect anywhere? No, connects only here, and I can do that, like I said, through this system. Level 2 pipe, I'm gonna connect it through here. This is fine. This is fine. And I'm happy with this one. There we go. That's gonna look a little bit nicer. So what about priorities? Are they still okay? Priority for the generator is still in place. This output is not going to be, it's gonna be, well, it is what it is. That's how we're gonna work. This is how we're gonna roll. Water coming out, I think this should be it. We just increased the sour water processing by 50% more. Yeah, some of the generators need to start working, understandable, fear not, it's all gonna be good. I think it's lack of water or something. This is gonna be, oh, a little bit too much power outage for my liking. Let's speed up this so we can, looks like, there we go. The water capacity was, there we go. All this water can now flood out, and did I build this? Oh, that sucks. That kind of sucks. We can actually use the normal. This normal, but yeah, this is very bad. I don't like this. This part only. Level 1 pipe, that's fine. Anybody coming? That should be it. Speed, lightning speed, warp 3. A little bit of space on both sides, and ta-da! A little bit nicer. Actually, it's perfectly arranged with this one, but this overpass here, it's just ugly. I need to probably move these pipes a little bit to the right. I think it would be fine just to make this look nice, but I think that's a job for another day. This also can be put on the ground, but I need access to the fueling station for the ships. Yeah, I think this looks way nicer than before, so yeah. Whoop, low supply, silicon poly. Do we have any problem here? Do we have a problem? 72? That would be 4 times, yeah, that would be 72. It should have a perfect supply. I'm just gonna monitor this and see if it's working as it should, because police... Let's see. I can't see it from the outside when they're working or not working, so... I mean, it looks like the slag is coming in. Coming in hot. Slag, the molten stuff. Yeah, looks like this is working. This should be resolved now. Sour water, this as well should be resolved. Let's see the bottlenecks now. Bottlenecks. Big pipe, this is all good. Yeah. Is there any small pipe? Because this ship is not leaving, because it still has sour water on board. This is gonna take a minute or two. Is this reduced speed? No, I think it needs to go with this speed. I might be at capacity with slag. I might have to do something with slag. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, I'm fine with this. Let's go. Let's process. This is 100 and what? 108? 108 sour water per minute that we are processing, so he does have another 300, so that would be like 3 minutes or something. We are lightning speed here, and then by the time it's back, we need to see if this is a good enough setup for us to work like this. There's no overflow of brine. That is slightly concerning, because that means that these guys are not getting enough brine. Ah, right. Because this system was working while I was... it probably depleted brine from here, so it needs to refill it first before it has overflow. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Let me see the diesel situation here. These guys seem to be working a lot, so I'm not happy about that. I might slow the diesel generators down a bit, well, depending on how much diesel we're going to be using. Control tower doesn't have anything to do. Oh, that's aluminium. Okay, let's bauxite. Let's deal with the bauxite. One in each direction. What's with this here? Yeah, I mean, like... Sure, I'll get a layer off here as well, just because here we're gonna get to titanium first. So yeah, let's do this. We'll see what's underneath. Silicon, slag, sour water. Okay, speed up. Come on, warp speed. Did you fill all of these? Probably they did, because there's enough. The ship is waiting for long enough, so hopefully it's gonna be fine. But this is a lot of sour water, by the way, that was collected, and I'm also running a little bit on the low side regarding coal. That's something to think about. I do have 2 coal power plants, which probably I should put close to each other, but that also can cause some piping concerns, or yeah. Just thinking out loud here. What are these for? These are for this steam, right? Sure. It works. Don't touch it. Okay, what's with the space station? We need crew and crew supplies. Okay. Are you launching parts? Looks like they are. They have 150%. For maintenance, no crew supplies. Okay, so how do I get crew supplies here? Rocket payload. This and 4 crew loaded only when there is a demand. Okay, so there's a demand. Space station. Okay, so I need crew. Can you please send crew? Crew supplies, crew. The station requires crew to provide its bonuses. Crew members need supplies, which must be regularly delivered by rockets. New crew members must be sent periodically, while existing crew returns to Earth to limit their radiation exposure. If supplies run out of crew members, stay too long, they will leave the station using the return modules they arrived in. Okay, whatever that means. Okay, so we have shut down. How do I send people to space? I need people and food. No crew supplies. Okay, these guys have this, and then only when there's a demand. Okay, here we go. Okay. This feels like it's not gonna be a problem. By the way, food is being made here. They just need to deliver it. I might have to build a storage facility. I don't want to mess around with these, like squeezing things in over here. But I would like them to... Well, I don't know why they're not delivering these dumping areas, this stuff here. I want them to cover this so I can put grass over it. And then I can play with the storages on this side because entrances are over here. And I can build overpass for vehicles that need to cross, go to the beach, go to the seaside. But, yeah, I mean, sure. Okay, let's do it like this. Give me the tower, and then let's edit this area like this. And like this. Escape. Now, here, we need to put sand, the soil. Let's put like this. This is concerning here. What is here? Who is controlling this area? This might be controlled by these guys here. Let me see. Where are you? Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Okay, I'm lost. No. Okay, who the hell is controlling this area here? Is it you? It's you. Edit the area. So what are you doing? You're just dumping stuff there. Okay, so dumping stuff can be done like this. Thank you. And then here we can start dumping soil. Let's go layer by layer like this first. Oh, look at them. Looks like we're missing some areas where we need to dump soil. So, okay, yeah, sure. Let's do it this way. I can do it all the way. They're gonna just mess this up. They're gonna so mess this up. I'm telling you, this is gonna be incredible. They're gonna mess this up. Control tower, designation, sand. Enter the Sandman. Okay. Okay, supply slag. Finally, this guy is done. Okay, we have storage for the sour water here. 900. I forgot how much ship has. 1,500, I think. This one is not getting water fast enough. This is incredible. Sour water. That's surprising because I would expect this to be a bit faster. Yeah, look at this guy here. This is Oolykee's ideology. That's wrong because there are two pipes going to the same module and they shouldn't be, so sorry. Should probably explain it. Okay, corn harvest slag. Slag, I'm pretty sure slag is a problem already with other processings. There we go. You can see the slag is here. It's not really that big of a problem. I mean, like, for example, here, I don't know elsewhere. Let's see. Let's see iron here. Slag is full. Slag is a problem there, for example. Come on, ship, come back. Oh, it's come back. Okay. So slag can be delivered now. I'm pretty sure this is now going to be delivering vast amounts of slag. And sour water, how much did you say? 1,500, yeah, 1,500, 750 per module, and this can all fit in here. Well, actually, it cannot fit in this one. The last one here, module, is empty. I can actually remove that one if I want to, but I don't see the point. I don't know what I should add. They said on the online that this is how. Let's see the contracts. How the contracts look like? 375. 375 is 5 modules. What if I give you 6 modules? You cannot give me more sour water. So, yeah, I mean this is what you can see online as well. Let's slow this down and online on the contracts, online contracts here. If you go for 8 modules, this is what they're gonna offer. This is it. This is the maximum. It doesn't tell you how to set up the modules, but this is how much you're gonna get for how much. So yeah, this is the This is the setup. I need to start looking into other contracts. People said that these vehicle parts 2 is a really good contract that you should export these, for example, for dinosaur juice. This is a lot of dinosaur juice, that they're very, very powerful. But I'm still getting dinosaur juice from these, from here. And, whoa. Interesting. Is there a problem with my oil industry? Well, do I get notification for this? Like, I understand that they have some here. 1,000... this one says 1,440. I'm just gonna double check that I have only one oil platform. This one says 1,260. So I have no idea where the other one is. This is one. We have second one here that is paused. And I don't see any other that is actually working. This is cold. Yeah, good that I'm actually checking up on these. I'm not getting any notifications about these guys. This is incredible. Because this looks like it's empty. 1,260. Stored product, 0 left, okay? So if I tell you... and here says crude oil to pick up 1,440. Not 200. So I can tell them to depart now. There we go. Go and pick that up. Oh, we upgraded the ship, right? Ship designer. Yeah, let's go pew pew. I haven't done any pew pew. What is this? Do I have everything? Yeah, I already explored a lot of stuff. Ooh, 2 ships. Oh, not enough crew. Yeah, we upgraded it. Okay, load crew. Boom. Oh, by the way, I'm upgrading the city. So we're gonna have more consumption strains or pressure on construction. So just a heads up. Let's do the battles first, and I'm gonna be pushing the population further. Okay. That's it. We should be able now to, because now if we go ship designer, we have 900 and these guys have 910. This would be in my ballpark. I'm pretty sure we're gonna win these battles because I attacked stronger than this. So yeah, anyway. What's next? They're dumping soil here. Looks like some of them still have soil loaded, so let's go like this. Just cement all of this. Okay, where are they dumping the... Ah, look at this here. They can be dumping here as well. Can you do it here first, please? Because I would like to... Yeah, let them do this first, because I would like to build these storages that everybody's talking about. You see this? Astronauts are there, but these guys are not delivering directly to this. I don't know why, but absolutely not a problem. I will build storage very, very shortly. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's build the vehicle overpass just to be on a safe side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is gonna be okay. And then let's remove these dumping grounds from here. Will I have enough space here? Let's wait. Let them dump this first. Gonna dump here first. Oh my god, they're gonna so get stuck. Warning about poly. That's silicon poly. I'm getting this warning. Is it probably due to slag, I would assume. I still need to monitor this as well. Ship has a little bit of sour water left. Are you filling? No, they're not. They're literally waiting for the sour water to be unloaded. I think we might be on our good path. I'm not sure. We'll see how much we're gonna process now when this ship leaves. Maybe. But also looks like, yeah, I'm not gonna watch the battle. Ah, okay, we can watch the battle. Come on, pew pew pew. Health, we have a lot of health. Yeah, this is easy. Perfect. Hooray, I guess. Okay, what's with the docks? Do we have anything stored in the docks? Oh my god, a lot of stuff stored in the docks. Antibiotics, bauxite, yellow cake. Let's do this. That's gonna resolve the bauxite issue. Lab equipment. This is, I was struggling with this from before. We have the cement here. Cement is also not a problem. I just need to allow them to deliver this cement because when they deliver cement, when we start producing something, copper ore crushed. Do we have storage for copper ore? No. Oh, no. Oh, wait, what? Oh, wow, copper ore. No. I don't have a storage. Ooh, I do. Why? What? Oh, no, that's a scrap. No, this is it, right? There we go. So why you... Copper ore. Oh, crushed copper ore. Can I allow them to dump it here? I'm just gonna get rid of that. I'm just being a cheapskate here and then just going for these. This, I don't have these boards. That's called PCB. I don't have storage of PCBs. I just make them and they're straight away processed into this. I can do this. I can allow this guy to get some things delivered. So I think they might give them PCBs now. Well, we'll see. We'll see. What's next? PCBs, the yellow cake. 4 yellow cake. Am I such a cheapskate? Maybe. They already have yellow here. Okay, let's do the white. Okay. How are we doing with fuel? So. And silicon poly is the only one who is complaining now. Can I get rid of any of this stuff? Did we... Yeah, ship. Can I attack these? Let's see if I can do 2 battles in a row. No notifications. This didn't happen in a long time. Okay, they built this. Let's dump next layer. Okay, storage for the food. Storage. Rotate. I can put it in a straight in the middle. There we go. Astronaut food. How would that be? Here we go. Crew supplies. Okay, and please fill it up. And then this needs to go like this. I will go... Let's go like this. Ta-da! Crew supplies and crew. We can carry 40. But the rocket says here that it can carry... Really? Only now? Yeah, even... Ooh! These one have a lot of health. Yeah, this is gonna be... Whoa. The hell was this? Booyakasha, I guess. Sup? I can go and marauding without returning back for a long time. Oh, it's coming back. Okay. Okay. Let's finish this and then I do have stuff on the way. Come on, chop. We need this delivered. Trucks are busy. High supply of sour water. Okay. Ship needs to be emptied. Okay, at least this is being now slag is being unloaded. So yeah, this was kind of holding back my processing plants. Yeah, this is a problem here, and then this one is full. I don't know if we are actually... Okay, so the whole ship is full, and it still needs to wait this to be unloaded. So potentially I might need another... Whoa! That's a lot of ammonia! We are burning ammonia, guys. I should not be doing that. I definitely shouldn't be doing that. I should do calculations. What's with the statistics? Ammonia, boom, skyrocketed production of ammonia. Consumption peaks at 40, and this produces 3 times 9. Okay, so let's see, ammonia. Ammonia, I can do a hydrogen. I think it's actually quite good. This is for the electrolysis. Ammonia into the hydrogen. Hydrogen over here. And should connect it to this and have an overflow when it has overflow of ammonia. Do I have anything similar over here? Yeah, that's the one here. This is where I'm actually doing it, but this is not... There we go. Now it's gonna start. Oh my god, but this is also full. Let's say... how do I balance hydrogen? Hydrogen power plant. Anybody? hydrogen power plant. How much hydrogen do you produce? 28, and this one produces 12. This can be upgraded. It's double probably. 24 and 28. This is not 72 that I was kind of hoping. Well, not hoping for, but like hydrogen power, dude. That's interesting. I never thought I'm gonna be doing that. Let me see one more time what can ammonia be used for. Ammonia, chemical fuel, anesthetics, hydrogen. This is 48. This is not... can I upgrade this 3 times maybe? Maybe this one like skyrockets? So if it's 48... Oh, this is reverse. No, this is it. 48 to 48. Okay, so if I get 48 hydrogen from here, and then I get 28 from here, 48 and 28, 60, 76, and 72 needed for the power plant. That sounds like a hydrogen power plant to me. So, can I afford to start using 72 additional hydrogen? I don't know. Like, I will now skyrocket production of hydrogen, but the storages I don't have. Oh, crude. This is crude. This is with crew. I'm gonna have to see what happens with the station when we have crew on it. There's no crew, no supplies. Bye! Boy, rocket boy! Come on, go there. Let's see what happens. Come on up. Whoa! I'm speeding through here. I hear thunders. Come on. Show me the... Okay, so when are you gonna be delivering stuff? Come on. Do I have to come in and out again? No? I don't know. Or, oh, was it not launching food? Oh, right. I think I forgot this one. That's fine. Let's do this. Yeah, potentially they don't have food. They probably delivered materials for... Yeah, okay. And it's not crude. It's not crude. My bad. My bad. Let's see here. This one is definitely going to be crude mission. Oh, there we go. We're missing flat ground to dump the... this bad boy. Okay, nothing needs to be dealt with here. So let's edit this area. Here. And then all the way here, I think. Okay, and then let's start... Oh, let's do editing a little bit more, because this is not perfect. Ta-da! And then dumping grass. That's it. I need to cover this hole. We need to dump all of it here as well. This is almost done. I can start doing the next level. I have stuff to do there. Maybe I don't want to green this area first. Let's okay, this can be removed. I'm gonna stop here now because they're wasting a little bit of soil here. I'm not sure if that's smart or not. I need to give them... Oh, yeah, I need to give them somewhere to dump the grass, because at the wait. Yeah, I did give them here. Don't need to do anything more. Sour water, high supply. Let's see the ship again. It has 100 left on the ship, so I think we are still not processing sour water enough. Ammonia is getting filled. We are actually depleting ammonia slowly by producing more hydrogen, but that's gonna stop as well because we are full of hydrogen. So I'm thinking that we can build a new power plant. Hydrogen power plant. This is what I'm thinking about now. Supplying this much hydrogen is similar to gas. I would really like to make it like I would like to make hydrogen. Well, spend hydrogen where we make it, so everything is that everything is connected with pipelines. This is it. This is one of the places, but this is only 28 hydrogen. The rest of it is going to have to be delivered by ammonia.
Liftoff.
Okay, this is going quite fast. I'm gonna queue quite a few more rockets and see how this goes. Okay. Let's see now in space. Oh, food is here. No people? Seriously? Oh, okay. So looks like they can't put the same thing on the rocket. I don't see why they couldn't put 2 people on the rocket, but yeah, let's see the last one. We're missing crew. Yeah, so looks like each rocket has to deliver different stuff, so that's kind of unfortunate because I would like it to be like, a little bit of everything. High supply of hydrogen. This is what we needed the notification for. We got it. So do we want to start consuming hydrogen here? That's a question. So I would have to... That's literally... I just need to copy paste all of this. It's just... That's going to be a lot of hydrogen. But to be honest, like these trucks that I have, the Bowsers, the tanks, the tanker trucks, are really not busy. So I think that I could pull it off. What I would need is this. Just copy paste all of this, which I think it's not that hard. Oh, but I would have to 2 then. I don't want 2. This is... I want only 1. So yeah, that would not create as much electricity as I would hope to, but still it would be hydrogen electricity. Interesting. I think... where are we getting hydrogen from as well? I think here. This is a lot of hydrogen. This is 16 each. And there's a lot of hydrogen here. So I'm thinking maybe I should build a power plant over here, the hydrogen power plant. Is this enough for the whole power plant? 16 times 4, 26, 72, 62, 64, right? Yeah, so that would be 40 and 24, that's 64. I would need only 8 additional hydrogen. That's not a problem. I can do that. So, do I convert this into hydrogen power plant? I don't see why not. I think that's a decent idea. Okay, so what do I need for this hydrogen power plant? I will need a little bit additional hydrogen. Well, actually, I can do it here. Can I actually 5 times this is 80, and I need 72. Maybe. Okay, so do I want to move then this somewhere else, this whole system? Move it elsewhere, because I was talking about expanding the city eventually, so... If I'm gonna build anything around here, I might as well put it somewhere else. Water. Water is an important one. We're gonna need a lot of water for this. First for production of hydrogen, second for the power plant. We will get the water, some water back. Like how much water we are consuming? 8 times 5, 40. And we calculated here that it's 30... This is consuming 48 times 296 and 100, and you're getting 3 times 33, that's 132. That's 32 plus 4, 36 water back. So we would need very little water, but that's only for the... Oh no, that's not only for this, that's for everything. We would need a very minimum amount of water, like 6 water or something. That's cool, actually. But where would I put this kind of power plant? Water is plentiful elsewhere. We only need water and electricity, so copying something like this is not going to be hard. This is also producing diesel. Do I want to produce diesel? Why am I producing diesel here? I get hydrogen and then oxygen goes into the air. I am consuming a little bit of gas. That's probably natural gas that I have as an excess product. Yeah, this is why this is here. This is here just so I can convert excess gas that I get into diesel. Okay. Diesel is more energy dense. Okay, so hydrogen power plant. Is that the best thing that we can do at the moment? Good question. Do we have crew or not? We don't have crew. We need crew. We need... What's with the alerts here? Okay, we got some stuff. I think we need to repair the ship now. That's fine. Okay, it's still a lot of repair. It doesn't seem like it's like damaged a lot, but 300 steel goes into repair. I think that was like, you know, before one of the worst ones, repairs and stuff. Anyway. So hydrogen. Move all of this somewhere else where I can have it a more permanent location for it. Maybe even this area here. What am I doing here? This is water pump. This is a little bit... this is still not tidy. I was thinking of building a coast here. What about some of this stuff here? Since it's gonna be only one, do I want to do it here? This is filling with water. I'm not sure if I like this. I'm probably gonna have to pause these pumps eventually. Ooh, questions, so many questions. But here I already have like water pumping, which how much salty water you need? This is consuming 60. I'm gonna go half of this. Yeah, I can use even this infrastructure. That's not bad. I'll definitely connect it elsewhere. I'm gonna need to upgrade this pipe here. But I'm literally copying all of this. You know what else I can do? I can try to incorporate the biogas production from here, because this seems like it's causing me some grief as well. I am creating this hydrogen here, right? Hydrogen reformer. Gas and steam to hydrogen and CO2. This is only one, right? And still looks like we have more gas than we need from this. Gas is not important for power production, that's for diesel production. Yes, okay, decision has been made, I'm doing it. So first we're gonna copy all of this. Input of water, everything needs to be like this. This is going to be... can I make this better looking? Potentially, yes. Will I have enough space here for everything? I don't know. I need this as well. So I know how much this takes, how much space this takes. I'm gonna build half of this now. Let's press B and then let's start copying. So copying from here to here. So this is going to be power production. Okay, can I do it here? This is not good copy. We're gonna have to go like this. Do I mirror it? I can mirror it in this direction so these guys can be close to... they don't need to be close to each other. I mean, I can utilize it, but I'm gonna cause some problems for myself if I... Yeah, I want a separate pipe. I want separate pipe. So, this goes like this. Mechanical power, this is depleted steam. Depleted steam needs to go in one of these. So, like this. This is going to be created by hydrogen boiler. Hydrogen boiler is right here. Hydrogen boiler, sure. So this is gonna be, oh, selected already, perfect. Hydrogen boiler, water needs 42 water, and hydrogen gets steam. Oh, depleted steam as well. Was that? Oh, cool. Does this put a spanner in the work? Kinda. Yeah, I have to copy paste all of this then. Because this one gives me, when this system is done, it gives me 38 depleted steam, and this one adds another 36, sorry, 48, right? 48 and 36, that would be 78 and 6, 84. That's a really odd number because it's not divisible with any of these. So I would have to copy all of these and they wouldn't be working 100%. But look, I think, yeah, and then I need a new water pump because I need to double this water consumption. This is 60, this pump's only 108, so separate water pump. Okay, at least kind of, I guess it's a little bit easier, so I guess I'm gonna do this, F, that will be rotating in this direction. What is this? This is depleted steam, goes in here, I believe. Would that be depleted steam? No, white would be depleted steam. That would be... No, it's not. It is depleted steam. I think it should be like this. This is mirrored, this, and this is input. Here it's output, output, input, input, and here we need input of water, and we need output of, what is this, brine? Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna need one more of this. Okay, that's not a problem. Let's build an overpass. Is this looking good? And actually it's not, but it doesn't matter. We're still playing with this, so I can mirror it like this. I'll leave a little bit space in between so vehicles can pass. So that would be this. These pipes, I think they're gonna have to go in the opposite direction. I can double up, double back. Yeah, double back. Rotate these. This would be output of, yeah, this is the, okay, let's start. The water, where's the water icon? That would be here. We need a water pump, seawater pump, there we go. We can go straight directly in that direction, and this is gonna need not more than 60. Okay, good to know, go for it. And then we have the dumping, that's under recycling, liquid dump, collision, that's fine. And then I think it's the same, yeah, same size pipe. Okay. And select brine. There we go. That's input and output for this part. We need the output of this steam. I need to see where the steam goes here. It goes obviously on this side, but which one is it? Because they're mirrored. We can see here by this rotating thing is seawater. The steam goes in this one. So this is steam here. So I need to deliver this steam to this pipe. So that shouldn't be a problem. Like this. Yeah, this is perfect because then the pipe needs to be bigger over here. Okay, and this doesn't look like it's fitting perfectly, so we're just gonna reconnect this one. Okay, and we need water and hydrogen going in here. So hydrogen production, let's see how much space it needs. So we can go for this one. We can copy it. Yeah, this is bigger than the power plant. It still needs water, right? How much water does it need, the system? We said that we're gonna get a lot of water back, even more than I thought initially. We're gonna get 3 full, that's 90 water plus half of the last, 99 water plus half of the last, that's half of 33, that's 16 and a half. So that would be 116, 115 and a half water we were getting from this. This is an enormous amount of water, guys. That's gonna go back in a system. That's gonna be fun. Fun, I say. Where do I put this? It can be here, but it's too tight where the aluminum is. I can do here because they do need water. And this is again diesel. Oh, this one tight over here. And this would be kind of perfect because it's right there, the exit for this. And then I would have to probably build up a little bit more coast. This looks more reasonable. Production of diesel. I don't like some of the stuff that I built here. So for example, these chimneys can go. Everything what we are putting out in the atmosphere is just oxygen, nothing else. So it can be like this, but I can do it Just the oxygen chimney doesn't look nice there, so let's see the smokestack chimney. Whatever. Oh, you know what I can do? It's gonna look nice. How much? Oh, we need to build one more of these as well. Ooh, this looks ugly. Probably I should have built this from the ground up. Yeah, probably would save me some space as well. This is really not a problem to build this. It's 5 of these. It's one of the cracking units. Yeah, let's do this. Let's remove this. Come on. Do we have time? No, it's literally 1 hour now. Yeah, sure. Let's do this a little bit quicker. So we need these bad boys that produce hydrogen. Bad boys that produce hydrogen are, is it underwater? Electrolyzers. Here we go. How much can you produce? You're producing from water. You're producing 4 times more, right? 16. Okay, so I need 5 of these. 5 of these. Hydrogen goes in that direction. So how tight do I want to squeeze them in? Water might come from here actually, so they don't have to be there. But still, there's a lot of space. That you still need a lot of space. Okay, let's try from here. I'll leave 3 space here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these. They need water. How much water do you need? I knew it's not. I need to select recipes. 5 times 8 water. That would be 40 water. Select recipes. Okay, water goes in. How do I get water in? Water is gonna be from here, and I'm probably okay. So I need to probably build this not first, but I need to build this. Hydrogen, easy. Hydrogen is gonna go like this. How much hydrogen are we producing? 80. Okay, so we're gonna have to have a bigger pipe eventually, so I can go for a bigger pipe over here, from here to there, and then smaller pipe here. And then all of these can be smaller pipes. Hydrogen, hydrogen. Yeah. Over here. And then we have the diesel. Diesel is different animal. We're gonna deal with that later. We need, I forgot just this one, the cracking unit. And it needs a gas storage, but this doesn't need to be so tight here. This can be elsewhere. So cracking unit needs to absorb a little bit of oxygen. This is now ridiculous amount of oxygen we are producing here, but yeah, this doesn't really need to be here. Maybe I shouldn't put it here, just because it doesn't need this oxygen. I can literally put this elsewhere and get the same. It's just a little bit of water back, which also is not a big deal. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe skipping this part, just dumping all the oxygen in the atmosphere and then building this cracking unit, maybe even double up. This cracking unit can be here. Is this cracking unit? No, this is hydrogen reformer. I can connect it over here or build it like here. Water is here, the gas is here. Everything that we need is over here, so I can build it there. Okay, so I'm skipping this part. We need a big chimney, so that means we don't need a diesel tank. I do want this tank, and this needs 72. 72 is gonna be... Oh, this is in the wrong kind of direction. Okay, oh my god, that's too much time. Okay, you know what, I'll finish this with water. I need to finish to see which pipes are water pipes, so I'm gonna do it off screen. This is going to be our hydrogen production, hydrogen power plant production, and we're gonna be using hydrogen to produce the electricity. Only one generator, but it's a lot of hydrogen, but we have a lot of hydrogen now. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, you have the description of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye, bye.